Everyone, and welcome back to Brains Are Beautiful. In today's episode, we're going to be talking about systems of equations and how to solve them via substitution. If you're looking for an elimination method, do not worry. There is another video of that on my YouTube channel. Just go look up systems of equations, eliminations, and I will walk you through example in that. But for today, we're going to talk about substitution. And what substitution is, it's basically plugging in a variable for itself, is how I think of it. So, with that being said, let's just jump right into an example, because that's what I like. So, let's say we have two equations, 4x plus 2y, let's say that all equals 16, and let's say we have another equation, 8x plus 16, all equals 4y. Okay, so basically, substitution is let's solve one equation for one variable and then plug it into the other equation. And I'll show you what I mean. How we know we're using systems of equations would be if a question lends itself to, well, one, it says solve the system of equations, but it could also say find where the lines intersect, solve the equations, find where they cross. Any of those type things can lend itself to substitution, elimination, or graphing, all systems of equations. So if we're going to solve for a variable in this equation, I am kind of leaning toward this equation, and I'm leaning toward y for right now, because it's already almost by itself. So if we solve for this, we just divide both sides by 4. So 8 over 4 plus 16 over 4 equals, I'll just show the math. That crosses out. And then if we just simplify and rearrange, you get y equals 2x plus 4. So we know that has to be the value of y. And we know that this value of y and this value of y are the same thing. So we can plug it in for itself. Okay? So we have 4x plus 2 times, here's our equation, 2x plus 4, and that all equals 16. Now, moving on, you guys have all done this, and basically you just simplify and solve for x. So here's our friend, the distributive property, and 4x plus 4x plus 8 equals 16. And now we're going to subtract 8 from both sides. And we get 4x plus 4x equals 8. Which then we continue to solve. And we get 8x equals 8. And divide by 8. And we get x is equal to 1. So we know that's part of our solution, but now we just need the y component. So let's take this value of x, and you can pick any of the equations, but I'm going to pick this equation just because y is already solved for. And we're going to say y equals 2 times, there's our 1 for x that we just found, plus 4. And now we just simplify. Y equals 2 plus 4, y equals 6. So our solution to the equation is 1, 6. And that is where our lines are going to cross. And that's all there is to it. Alright, thanks for watching, guys, and please, if this video helped you, hit the like button and go subscribe to my YouTube channel, and feel free to leave any concerns, comments, or questions down below in the comments. Alright, everybody, thanks for watching, and remember, brains are beautiful.